We're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Bradford white 50-gallon natural gas water heater. You can see here model number, serial number. To get your warranty going, you can go to bradfordwhite.com, hit the warranty tab, and give me your serial number and all the contact information to get that warranty going. Up top, give you a brand new shutoff valve. There was a ball valve in there, but it was hard to operate, so we put a brand new one in. And we replaced all the connectors. So the leaking began with the braided connectors. These are stainless steel connectors, not braided. And so both sides have that connector down to a brass nipple and extension on the tank, and then a relief valve down to more stainless steel connectors. And so this is all existing. Your piping coming out of the wall, that's yours. This is ours, of course, all the way up. Valve came with the unit, and then as you can see behind our valve that we put on there, there's an adapter. That's yours. Over there on the other side, it's an adapter. It's just a compression fitting, so they're fine. But the thing that was leaking that caused all the damage and the failure of the water heater was the two water lines were braided instead of stainless steel tubing. So, and on top we gave you a new venting draft diverter and a new vent, 45-degree offset right there. New piece of pipe, and then of course another offset up top. Sorry, I'm going to flip this camera upside down. And so that's new venting up to the roof. We have adjustable straps on the upper third, adjustable straps on the lower third, and then brand new gas connector. We always put a new one in with the installation. Down here we did put a pan in. Homeowner's not sure if they're going to sell or rent. They want to make sure if anything's happening in here that they catch it. So the other pan was too small. Got the 26-inch, so it fits in here with this gas guard in place without modifying it. And then reused one piece from the front. We got a new nut and a gasket here, but reused this because it has the reducer to 3/4 pipe. And then we just had to offset a little bit because it's a bigger pan. We just took 45s, stubbed it right back through the same hole, glued it in, pointed the 90 down. So this is all your existing pipe here, or this pipe is yours all the way out. And then these are two new fittings, and this is all yours too. So any problems that'll drain out there? Hopefully not. Anyways, everything here looks good outside of that. This installation is done.